Do you ever wonder what bitter leaf can do for your general health? By the end of this video, you'll have my grandmother bitter leaf secret, the exact bitter leaf recipe that will change how you see this plant forever. Watch till the end because I will show you how to prepare healthy juice out of bitter leaf and dosages for different purposes, right? Right now, 1 in 3 Nigerian adults has high blood pressure, but 7 out of 10 don't even know it. With over 11 million Nigerians battling diabetes and numbers doubling every decade, when nearly 1 in 4 Nigerian children still battle malaria, this bitter leaf juice becomes more than a drink. Strengthening your family's immune system with this juice isn't a luxury, it's survival. Bitter leaf, a vegetable freely available in your backyard or affordable at your local market, can give you the health benefits that you use thousands of naira to get. Alright, welcome back from my garden. Now I'm going to carefully cut these leaves from the stem. See how I'm doing it? I'm cutting right at the base of each leaf to preserve all those precious nutrients. Using the stem in this recipe is completely optional. Some people like to include a few tender stems for extra fiber and minerals. But today, I'm focusing just on the leaves for the smoothest juice possible. Here is a crucial step that many people skip. In a bowl, I pour in a good quantity of clean water. Now, I am adding exactly 1 teaspoon of salt to this water. I give it a gentle stir like this. Perfect. Now, I'm going to immerse all these beautiful leaves into the salty water, making sure every single leaf is well covered with this cleaning solution. I'm soaking this leaf in this salty water for exactly 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to wash this leaf under clean running water. Wash for about 2 or 3 times to make sure they are completely clean. Now, essential nutrients in bitter leaves and vitamins makes it a healthy addition to your diet. Vitamins like vitamin B1, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B2 or riboflavin, and niacin, which is vitamin B3. All these have their own individual benefits that help to support your immune system. I'm transferring all these chocolates into my blender. Now I'm adding about 75 cl of clean water. This ratio gives us the perfect concentration of nutrients. Watching till now, thank you so much. Please hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to wait till the end to know the dosage you will take for proper and most effective use. I'll blend until completely smooth. You can use your hand to wash the bitter leaf like this. If you don't have a blender, you can also use mortar to chop the bitter leaf till smooth. Now that we have our fresh nutrient-packed bitter leaf juice ready, let me share with you the proper dosage guidelines. This is very important because taking the right amount makes all the difference for your health. For healthy adults, using it for prevention, start with just 1 to 2 tablespoons. That's about 15 to 30 ml once daily. Take this only 2 to 3 times per week, not every day, please. For diabetic patients, take 1 to 2 tablespoons twice daily, morning and evening. The best timing is 30 minutes before your main meals to help with blood sugar control. For managing high blood pressure, take 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. That's about 30 to 45 ml. Take this consistently for 4 to 5 times per week for 2 to 4 weeks to see potential benefits. Please note that this bitter leaf juice is a supplement to your prescribed medication, but for those managing diabetes and the high blood pressure, it is not a replacement, please. Secondly, ensure you check your blood sugar level or your high blood pressure to see how you respond to this juice. If you're a pregnant woman, don't use it. And number 4, if you experience any upset or side effect, stop the use immediately. And finally, always start with small dosage and you can increase later on as your body cooperates with the use. Okay, now that the juice is ready, let me have a taste. Bitter. If it is too bitter for you, let's try and add a little honey, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix very well. This will help you to be able to take it better. So let's have a sip again. It's better. So as for me, for now, what I've just sipped in is enough for me for the whole week. This is the way I take it, and that is enough for me. If this bitter leaf recipe is insightful, smash that like button and tell me in the comments what health benefit you are most excited about. Subscribe for more traditional Nigerian health remedies that actually works. I post new recipes every week. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.